Hi, my name is Cornelius and I will present my game.
So this is the story of the game. There was a barista who get vacancy and worked at the cafe. At the game, we play as barista, and the objective of the game is to serve customer on demand. First, we pick order from customer. Then we pick cups and put it on coffee machine. Then we put the ingredients to coffee machine. After the coffee is done, we give latte art according to customer wish. If we forget to give latte art to customer that asks for latte art, we will give normal reaction and not happy. After finish serve all customer at the level you will won and go to the next level. The more you open level, there will be more customer and more recipe. If we give customer wrong order, we will lose and we start at the level. Same thing also happen if the customer cut off that time. After do all 4 level, we will go to the boss level, and at this level, the boss will order our menu. You have to be better with fast because the boss doesn't have much time. After finishing the boss level, there will be credit scene and the end. You complete the game.
Why did you choose to make this project? I made this project to calm down people who are stressed from work or school. Because this project have calm song and story. Also, it have good looking pixel art. What did you find difficult while making this project and how did you work it out? When working on this project, it was difficult for me to arrange for customers to pay in turn because sometimes it was buggy and I had to check the program one by one again to fix it. Is there anything you will differently or you will add if you have more time? Yes, if I had more time, I love to add more coffee recipes and also setting to just music. Thank you for listening my presentation.